Hi, my name is East, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower crown. To make a crown, you'll want to collect flowers such as dandelion, clover, purple dead nettle, and vines such as honeysuckle or wisteria. Remember when you're collecting to stay away from areas which have been sprayed with pesticides and places where poison ivy grows. Remember the old adage, leaves of 3, leave it be. To start your crown, take a flower and poke a hole near the bottom, but not too close to the end, using your nails, or if your nails are too short, a sewing needle. Then, take the next flower that you're going to string into your crown and poke it through this hole. If there are any stems or leaves poking off the sides of your flower, you can detach them. And then pull the new stem through. Again, you want to go towards the end of your flower, but not at the very tip, and poke a hole lengthwise through the stem of your flower, making sure not to get too close to the end. Then, slip the next stem of your next flower through this hole. You can continue creating this strand, adding different flowers as you go. Once you're finished, you can use it as a decorative garland to go around the outside of your crown, or wrap it around itself in the same way that we will do the vine. To use the vines you've collected, take 2 and cross them over one another, wrapping the stems around. Make sure to wrap in between leaves and overlap both vines to reinforce the strength of your crown. To fit your crown, hold it against your head where you'd like it to rest. Meet the ends together and then twist them around each other or wrap them around each other so it will fit snugly against your head. And there you go, you've made yourself a lovely flower crown using materials from around your yard or neighborhood.